Happy VALBORG from Gömmaren's Badplats. It is time for another beach adventure, and I'm exploring yet another beach in the beautiful Stockholm region. And this one specifically is located in Huddinge municipality in the same named nature reserve, Gömmarens Naturreservat. It has a small sandy beach, also quite spacious rocky area with trees, and there is even one jetty that is currently occupied by some fishermen there that are trying to catch some fish in the lake. But the view, I chose this one over here from the rocks as it looks stunning, and yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. And yes, it is 30th of April today, and it is VALBORG, important Swedish celebration that is actually announcing the spring that is coming, that actually already came, but they will be burning some fires later on today. And yeah, tomorrow is 1st of May, so it's a red day, and tomorrow I plan for much more interesting beach adventure out to the sea. But today it is this beautiful lake, Gömmaren, and beautiful nature all around that you can see. Yes, beach day number 21 is today, and I have already measured the temperature in the lake, and it is 6 degrees Celsius, which is the highest measured temperature for me this year in Sweden. As I have been bathing in 18 degrees in Hania, Crete last week. But this will be much good because it is 17 degrees Celsius in the air right now and 6 in the lake, so it's perfect. The wind is not that strong right now, which makes things a bit easier. To get here from my home, it took me around 25 minutes with my bicycle, 10 kilometers around, and yeah, perfect for a quick swim here and to refresh before heading back home with my bicycle. Okay, as I leave my sunglasses before I get ready for the swim, let's then check out here. It looks very clean in the water, and I remember when I was here last year, it looked exactly the same beautiful nature. I might actually revisit this beach when it is a bit warmer, but on the other side, on some more remote rocks that I can be all alone, because this is here easily accessible by all transport means. But if you want to go to a more secluded location, you need to hike through the nature reserve. And there will be also blueberries around July, August, so let's wait for that as well. Okay, the entry here is sandy, as I can see. So, and it's get deep quite fast over here. It looks amazing. And the water is not, it has a specific color, like a reddish and brownish color, but that doesn't mean that it's not clean. It's the actual type of lake. This is dysmorphous, I think, or something was the actual word, I don't remember, but I was in similar kind of lakes before. I will find the correct word and put it in the caption and description of this video. Okay, last day of April, let's end up in the best possible way with a swim here at Gömmarens Naturreservat and the same named beach and lake. Here we go! Amazing. Such a refreshing and nice swim here in this beautiful nature around me. I'm feeling really blessed to be able to have so many different lakes that I can explore very close to my home. It's absolutely stunning. Okay, then I will be enjoying a bit more in the sun that is up in the sky, and yeah, that's a wrap from Gömmaren's Badplatz in Huddinge. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.